Hello, it's Tony Cole here and welcome to how to make a video on your phone, part 1, pressing the buttons. Now this is a really simple introduction. It's like dipping your toe into the water of filming just to see how you like it. So without further ado, I'm going to go straight into it and introduce at the star of the show my phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy S7. I've put it on a stand so you can see. You press the black button at the very bottom of the camera to go up to the home screen, and this is the home screen. And then somewhere on that screen there will be a camera button. You click the camera button and that takes you to one of 2 cameras. Now this is the wrong camera. This is the camera that's filming forward, so you want to get out of there. There's a little icon. It's a camera with arrows going round it, and you click that and we're in business. You're in selfie mode. This is the point at which you'll probably go, oh my God, I'm fat, I'm old and I'm ugly. Ignore all that, please. We're going to deal with that in later videos, but you know, you're not. And this is only for you. It's just like looking in the mirror. There's 2 things that you should note, right? One is, before we go any further, one is that when you look at the camera, you don't actually look at the screen, right? The temptation is, because it looks a bit like a mirror, if you look yourself in the eye like that, you're not actually looking at the camera. The place where you have to look is where the camera is, and it will be on the edge of the phone somewhere, right? Mine is here. So it's a good idea when you start filming, just feel around with your finger, make sure that you can locate where the camera is and actually look at the camera when you're talking. It's quite hard to do. Put a little white sticker on it so that you know where it is and talk to it. Try and practice being its friend. I know it sounds stupid, but you're on your own, and as I said before, you don't have to show this to anybody at all. So there you go. The camera is not where the screen is, and the other thing to note at this stage is that the phone is the wrong way up for YouTube. If you put the phone in this mode, in portrait mode on YouTube, you will find that you've got 2 really wide margins either side, which is really irritating and looks a bit amateurish. So turn it sideways. The phone's very clever, it knows which way up it is. So there you go. That is much better. Remember to carry on looking at the camera. It's easy to forget. I keep doing it all the time. And now let's go walkies. You're on a mobile phone. This is just for you. So just do as much or as little of this as you are comfortable with at the moment. It will get better, it will get more natural with practice. Just walk around the house, walk around the garden going, Mary had a little lamb, or whatever you like to do, any old rubbish. Think of somebody that you would like to talk to eventually on video, although you're not actually doing it right now. And then when you've had enough, press stop, and then you look at the you can look back at the video by using the gallery function. The next video is going to be all about the background, the sound and the light, but for now I reckon I'll let you go and have a lie down in a darkened room. Thank you very much. I hope it's been useful, and I'll see you next time.